It's 2019, and there's still some people out there that think the earth is flat, like a hamburger or like a plate. I hope somebody doesn't fall off the edge. Well, we're not going to get too much into that. Let's not start something here. But what we do know is that this concrete floor that we're on right here is not flat. And so we're going to go over here now how we can correct that, fix this floor, make it nice and flat with a self-leveling underlayment. And we're going to show you some steps as to how to be successful in fixing and pouring a self-leveling underlayment. So our next step in this process is that we're going to get this floor really clean. We've swept it, we've done our grinding, we've got to get all that fine dust off of the floor. So we're going to use a sponge and just get the floor really clean and get it all wiped down so that there's no fine dust left on it. So we're going to show you this area here because you can see these cracks running through the concrete. These cracks potentially could go all the way down through the slab, and when you pour your self-leveler, what could happen is you could lose your self-leveler down in there. You don't want to lose the material, you want to keep it on top of the concrete. So we're just simply going to put some of our ultralight mortar. You can see the consistency there. And we're just going to skim coat that into the cracks and fill them up. And we'll just give it a little bit of time to dry. We don't have to wait necessarily for it to completely cure. We want to kind of force it into those cracks. And just make sure that as you go through the whole room, any of these kind of cracks, you don't want to take any chances. You want to fill them in and make sure that you're not going to lose any self-leveling underlayment when you pour it. So the next step we have to do here is that our leveler is going to be fairly deep in some of these areas, and so we have to now protect some of these spots for our leveler so that it does not flow out on us. And so we're going to show you now how Edge Ban is a product that can help you do that. You can see all the edges around the drywall here, and we also have a piece to very easily protect our toilet flange. And so we're going to show you now how that's going. So we've just dry fit our Edge Ban linear pieces, and then we're just going to spread some of this thin set material with this narrow margin trowel with a 3/8 notch in it. Just put it along this wall here. Just press it in. Just put a little on the end where it meets the other one. Just seal that up. Press it. Push it in. Here we have the Edge Ban toilet piece, and it's pretty simple install. Again, you just take your thin set, get it on there, around. The nice thing about this right here is that there's some variance in this concrete, and the thin set will make up for some of those gaps, and then you can just press this in, put a little here extra. We're getting ready to pour our self-leveler, and we set up a mixing station here. Got it all lined up, got lots of water. We also have a way to measure our water out. We're also going to be installing Edge Ban around the perimeter of the room. and sealing up the cracks that are in the floor. We don't want to have our self-leveler flow into those cracks and lose it. So this is the product we're going to use here. It's a product by Mapei Ultra Mortar Pro. It's a fantastic mortar to work with, and we're going to seal up all the cracks with this, and then also use this product to install our edge band around the perimeter of our room. So we're back here on the floor after the self-leveling underlayment is cured, and you can see now our floor is nice and flat, no gaps, and we're level going both ways, and the USG quick top laid down really nice.